Now let's have a look of our left side of the trucks. And at here is the rear end suspensions. Now I'm going to introduce our power assembly. Our power assembly has the Golden Industry Chains, and it is the only one who has won the National Science and Technology Progress Award. And this engine is the Weichai engine, and Weichai is the largest powertrain group in China and has a market volume more than 4.3 million units. And this engine is the 4-valve 13 liters engines. And the 4-valve can make the intake efficiency higher and also the consumptions more fuller. And also this engines has the maximum horsepower about 150, and the maximum torque can achieve to 2,500 Newton meter. And for these engines, we can equip it with the WEVB, which can reduce the braking time during go to the downhills. And also this engine can equip it with the fuel system protector, which can let the driver start the car more easily. Now let's have a look of our transmissions. Our transmissions is the Fast transmissions. Fast is the largest manufacturer and distributors in the heavy-duty transmissions. And these trucks using the aluminum-cased 12 hand gears transmissions. The aluminum case can make the cars lighter, and our customers can choose to load more weight of cargoes. And these gears, we can also equip it with the retarder, which can help the drivers go to the downhills more smoothly. And here is our batteries. We choose to use the 180 amperes batteries here, and it is 330 degrees rotationable. And here is our pedals, so we can step on these pedals, climb on here, and hold these handles. When some working drivers gonna have a work on the catwalk, so you can climb it really conveniently and here safely. And this is the aluminum case air tank. The aluminum case can make the truck lighter, and also it is anti-rusted. And this is the mud guard. As we can see, it can be taken out really easy here. It's very convenient for drivers to clean. And over here, we can see this is the anti-splash plate. And during some raining days, it's really good to prevent the mud on the tires. And at here is the rear working light, and this is the LED working light at here. And as we can see at here, our frame using the 6,000 tons hydraulic equipment using one-step form, and this frame is really strong. And this truck is using the single 8 millimeters plate. And now let's have a look of our leaf springs at here. And now let's have a look of the fifth wheel. This truck's using the Yost 90 fifth wheels, which gives the Now let's have a look of the fifth wheel. It is the Yost 90 fifth wheels, and for this tire, we use the 12R 22.5 vacuum tires, and these vacuum tires can help the trucks travel in a really faster speed, and also the heat dissipation is really good at here and can save the fuels as well. Now let's have a look of our fuel tanks. This fuel tank is a 3-strip design with the aluminum case. This aluminum case can make the trucks lighter, and also it is anti-rusted. And for this is the anti-theft equipment, so prevent somebody stealing the oils. And also this fuel tank is about 700 liters. And according to our customer needs, for example, some long distance transportations, we can make this fuel tanks up to about 1,950 liters. And over here we can see this is the fuel filter as here with the fuel system protector. So normally when the oils come out, this fuel filter can filter the water from the oil, and inside this fuel system fuel system protector, we have an electrical pumper. So this pumper can use to exhaust the air from the pipe and make the drivers to start the engine more easily. And it can protect the starter and make it starter in the long period service time. And at here, we can see over there, we can see this is the catwalking light. So when the drivers, somebody coming to the catwalk to work, so the light can give a really good brightness view for the drivers to work on the catwalk. And here is the air intake at here, and this is the inside here is the fleet guard air filters, and this is the cab tilter. So this tilter has two models. First is the hand model, so we adjust to the right position at here and use the stick, tilt it. And also the second mode is the electrical model. So we just press the button here, put it in the right positions, and then the cab gonna tilt it. So the maximum tilt degrees gonna achieve to about 80 degrees.